Good morning, everyone. I am Shama Fatmi, Vice Principal of Edument Indian Online School, and I welcome you all to Verdict 2024, where we are taking you to the live election leads and results of Student Council election for the current session. Along with me is my colleague, Ms. Meena Rizwan, a faculty of Edument.
Hello everyone, welcome to Verdict 2024.
A lot is happening here today as we are reaching close to the final verdict of the student and teachers of Edument. Meena ma'am, what do you say about that?
Shama ma'am, the curiosity is reaching its summit. I'm pretty excited to know the budding leaders of Edument. Tension is building up. The time for the announcement of the final result is approaching. A tough competition is quite obvious. I feel each candidate has left no stone unturned to please the voters to win the election.
True. I just want to tell that today there is an action-packed program lined up for you all. But before we dive into it, let's take a look at election process that we are followed in Edument. Let us move to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Ms. Philomena Machri Ma'am, who will throw some light on the election in Edument. Over to you, Ma'am.
Warm greetings from Edument Indian Online School. Today, I feel excited to share with each one of you a brief report of the school elections 2024-25. With the joint effort of the students, parents, teachers, administrative staff, media team and the management, we completed the school elections for this academic session. Administrating school elections for Students' Council gives an opportunity to educate the students about the importance of voting and the right to choose their leaders. Our school underwent this process of election in phases. Firstly, Ms. Kalai Selvi, Edument faculty, was assigned the job of the Chief Election Officer. Thereafter, the nomination papers were filed by the students of Class 9 for the post of Head Boy and Head Girl, and Class 8 students for the post of Deputy Head Boy and Head Girl. Each candidate was allotted a symbol. Thereafter, they started their online campaigning through videos and live sessions. The date of election was officially declared as 17th August. All the students from LKG to Class 9 and the staff of Edument participated in the school elections on 17th August using their election IDs. A wave of enthusiasm was seen among the students during the election. Now, I know all are eagerly waiting for the final results. So, let's move on to the results. All best wishes to the contestants.
Thank you, ma'am, for this valuable information. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Presenting an example of a true democratic nation, Edument is going to elect its leaders today. In fact, the whole journey of election has been a thrilling one for each one of us. Shama ma'am, I can't wait anymore to know the results.
Wait, Meena ma'am, wait. We are ready to share every twist and turn with all. First and foremost, we will take you to the section with youngest voter. Yes, it is KG section, where Vimi ma'am is waiting eagerly to share the leads of the election, and that also in your own language, Malayalam language. Over to you, Vimi ma'am.
Good morning, Shama ma'am. KG വിഭാഗത്തിൽ ഇന്ന് ഇലക്ഷൻ നടക്കുന്നത് 4 സെക്ഷനായിട്ടാണ്. ഇവിടെ വോട്ടിംഗ് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് കുറച്ച് സമയമായി. ചെറിയ കുട്ടികളാണെങ്കിലും അവരെല്ലാം വളരെ ഉത്സാഹത്തിലാണ്. ഇലക്ഷൻ വിശേഷങ്ങൾ പങ്കുവയ്ക്കാനായി KG വിഭാഗത്തിലെ ഒരു കുട്ടി കൂടി നമ്മുടെ കൂടെ ചേരുന്നുണ്ട്. LKG Bയിലെ ഇസ മറിയമാണ് നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഉള്ളത്. ഇസ, ആദ്യമായിട്ടല്ലേ വോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടായിരുന്നു ഇന്നത്തെ ഇലക്ഷൻ?
ഇലക്ഷൻ നല്ലതായിരുന്നു. എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു. ഞാൻ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് വോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഞാൻ 4 പേർക്ക് വോട്ട് ചെയ്തു. താങ്ക് യു മാം.
താങ്ക് യു ഇസ മറിയം. ഷമ മാം, KG വിഭാഗത്തിൽ വോട്ടിംഗ് തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് അരമണിക്കൂറോളം പിന്നിട്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടുത്തെ ലീഡ് നില ഹെഡ് ബോയ് നബീൽ, ഹെഡ് ഗേൾ അനീക്വ, ഡെപ്യൂട്ടി ഹെഡ് ബോയ് ജെറോം തോമസ്, ഡെപ്യൂട്ടി ഹെഡ് ഗേൾ ഫിദ ഫാത്തിമ എന്നിവരാണ് മുന്നിട്ട് നിൽക്കുന്നത്. ഓവർ ടു മീന മാം.
Thank you, Vimi ma'am. With all this information, the suspense is really building up. The excitement is palpable. I really wonder who will be the winners of these elections. We can see that the students as well as the teachers are equally eager to know the results of the elections. Isn't it, Shama ma'am?
Of course, Meena ma'am, our staff members are extremely busy in preparing the result. Let's have a glimpse of our Chavakkad office where our vibrant HR, Miss Shadia ma'am, she will show us the latest counting as it is going on. Over to you, Shadia ma'am.
Shama ma'am, there are many ups and downs in the leads and we are preparing the election results. Our staff members are busy in the process. I can feel the excitement of the kids and let me tell you one thing, it's a close competition. Hello ma'am, what do you have to say about the election results? Who will be the winner of this year?
It's a close fight. Every vote counts, and with every step, our hearts are throbbing. But we are busy at present. You have to wait.
You can see that the election fever is at its peak. Everybody is super excited to know the results today. Over to you, Shama ma'am. You can proceed with the roller coaster of journey of our election.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing an incredible sight of polling office with us. Meena ma'am, I have got a news from our LP section that counting there is almost over. The students are bubbling with energy and enthusiasm and waiting eagerly to know the result. Let's go to Neha ma'am. She will reveal the leading candidates in LP section. Over to you, Neha ma'am.
शुक्रिया शमा मैम। प्रिय छात्रों, स्कूल में चल रहे चुनाव की प्रक्रिया के बारे में बात करते हुए आज हम इस रोमांचक मोड़ पर पहुंच गए हैं जहां सबकी निगाहें इस बात पर टिकी हुई है कि निचली कक्षा के बच्चों ने कितनी संख्या में वोट दिए और किस उम्मीदवार को कितनी प्रतिशत वोट मिले हैं। सभी के दिलों में एक ही सवाल है कि आखिरकार विजेता कौन होगा। वोटिंग की प्रक्रिया पूरी हो चुकी है और सभी परिणाम के लिए घोषणा का बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। रोमांच और उलझन का माहौल बना हुआ है और यह कहना मुश्किल होगा कि कौन जीतेगा। चूँकि परिणाम अब तक घोषित नहीं हुए हैं और अभी भी गणना जारी है, इसलिए अंतिम परिणाम के लिए हमें थोड़ी और प्रतीक्षा करनी होगी। अब हम शमा मैम के पास चलते हैं जो हमें परिणाम से जुड़ी जानकारी की तरफ लेकर जाएंगे।
Wow, that sounds amazing. Shama ma'am, it seems everyone is on the edge of one seat to know the result of our elections.
Yeah, thrill and ecstasy is in the air now.
Now, hold on tight everyone as we take you to the upper primary section where not only the student but also the teacher are most ecstatic about our elections results. So without making any delay, I hand over the mic to the UP section coordinator Lydia ma'am to display us the leads of the elections.
Thank you, Meena ma'am. I'm thrilled to share the results of the UP section. The high turnout shows how our students are preparing themselves for the new roles of leaders. Well done, students. So here are the leads at present. Hashim is leading with the highest votes for the post of head boy. Among girls, it is Hairunisa who is leading with 89 votes. The leading candidate in the category of deputy head boy is Saeed Hani, while it is none other than Fida Jannat at the top position for Deputy Head Girl. Congratulations to all leading candidates, and over to you, Shama ma'am.
Thank you, Ligia ma'am. Now it is the time to hear the experience of our young voters and teachers of Edument. Let's watch how elated they are.
Hi everyone, I am Anil George from 8B. I am voting for first time felt so important. It is big responsibility to choose right candidate who can raise our issues and support us. Voting gave us confidence and assurance that we have the power to make a change. Hoping for the best results. Thank you.
मेरा नाम रदान राफी है। मैं चौथी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। विद्यालय के चुनाव में भाग लेना मेरे लिए एक नया और रोमांचक अनुभव था। इसने मुझे जिम्मेदारियों का महत्व और सही निर्णय लेने की कला सिखाई और मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ कि मुझे अपना अनुभव बांटने का मौका मिला। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone. My name is Mrs. Shabna, a faculty member of Edument Indian Online School. On this auspicious day, I am excited to share my experience when I oversaw the school election and witnessed the power of student leadership firsthand. I beamed with pride when I oversaw the school election, witnessed students exercising their right to vote, and the campaigning was accelerating. The energy was palpable as they eagerly cast their ballots. Young leaders emerged, filled with promise and potential, a truly unforgettable experience that reminded me of the power of student voice and democracy. Thank you.
That was amazing indeed. Now the moment has arrived. We all have been waiting for this final moment. After days of anticipation, thoughtful campaigning, and active participation, we are about to announce the results of Student Council elections for the academic year 2024-2025.
Brace yourself, everyone. The result is about to revealed. To officially declare the results, we have with our esteemed Dean, Dr. C.G. Geeta ma'am, who has been an instrumental in guiding this whole election process. Let's welcome our Dean, Dr. Geeta ma'am, to announce the result. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, greetings from Edument Online School. Recently, we have conducted a school election to decide on our school leaders. It was a neck-to-neck competition. But still, I know you all are anxiously waiting to know the result. Our deputy head girl for the year 2024-25 is none other than Fida of grade 8A, and the deputy head boy is Syed from 8A. Also, the head boy of Edument Online School for the academic year 2024-25 is Hashim from 9A, and the head girl of Edument Indian Online School for the academic year 2024-25 is Hairunisa from 9A. Congratulations to all the leaders, and I wish them all the very best. Have a very good day. Thank you.
Thank you, Geeta ma'am. And congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you, Geeta ma'am. And a hearty welcome to all our new leaders. We are confident that Edument will flourish under your leadership. For those who did not succeed this time, remember that every experience is a stepping stone to success. Shama ma'am, as we wrap up Verdict 2024, I would like to thank everyone who made these elections possible.
Yes, we are extremely grateful to our dedicated teachers, energetic students, and a very supportive parents. A special thanks to our IT team for ensuring that everything should run smoothly. A big round of applause for all the candidates and for their efforts. Let's resolve to work together in our future endeavor. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.